Hi guys, welcome to today's lecture. Today we'll open a new chapter on radical expressions as well as radical equations. So far we know how to solve the equations like 2 to the power x equals to 16, and we try to write this 16 as the base of 2, and how we do that, we write it as a 2 to the power 4, then the bases are becoming the same. From here x is equal to 4. Now what if we have a problem in a different form? Y to the power 2 is 16, how much is y? In order to solve such questions, we need a new tool. And that tool is nothing but radical expression. Radical expressions, the general form is x under nth root is equal to y. And this is true only if y to the power n is, for example, we say that the square root of 4 is 2y because 2 to the power 2 is 4. The third root of minus 8 is minus 2y because minus 2 to the power 3 is minus 8. Generally, we would write that x to the power m under the nth root is equal to x to the power m divided by n. Remember that the degree of the radical goes in the denominator in the power of the x in the numerator. For example, 16 under the third root or the third root of 16 is equal to, we can write 16 as 4 squared, and then the third root is equal to 4 to the power 2 divided by 3. There are some basic rules of radical expressions such as product rule. If you have the same degree for the radicals, you can multiply the numbers under the radical, such as nth root of a times nth root of b can be written as a times b under the same nth root. Or you can have the division rule such as nth root of a divided by nth root of b. You know the degree of the roots in the numerator is the same as the denominator, then you can use one of the nth roots and divide the numbers. Nth root of a divided by b. The root of the root, if you have the m root of x and the nth root of x, you can multiply the degree of the roots, writing that x is under m times n root. Having introduced the radical expression, let's move on to our main topic, which is radical equations. Radical equations we study in three types: linear radical equation, linear radical system, and quadratic radical equations. General form of linear radical equation can be written as ax plus b under the nth root is equal to d, such as the third root of 3x minus 1. The linear radical system has the following general form: nth root of ax plus by is equal to d, the first equation. Px plus qy under the mth root is equal to t is the second equation. For example, x minus y under the third root is equal to 3. The fourth root of 2x plus y is equal to 4 is a system of linear radical equation. Quadratic radical equation has the following general form: ax squared plus bx plus c under the nth root is equal to c, such as nth root of x squared minus 9x plus 10 is equal to 3. Let me start with the first type of radical equation, namely linear radical equation, such as minus 2 times x plus 3 plus 4 under the second root is equal to minus 2. Now in order to solve this radical equation, I have to get rid of this radical sign. And to do so, I raise both sides of equality by 2. Why by 2? Because the degree of the radical is 2. 2 in this radical sign, they are cancelling out. What remains here is minus 2 times x plus 3 plus 4 is equal to minus 2 squared. This is a linear equation, the solution of which I leave. Second example, 1/2 of x plus 1/2 of 2 plus x under the third root is equal to Now in order to solve this radical equation, I have to remove this third root, and for that I raise both sides of equality by the power 3. This 3 and this third root cancelling out one another. What remains here is 1/2 times x plus 1/2 times 2 plus x is equal to 1 to the power 3 is 1. This is a linear equation, the solution of which I give as a homework. The second type of radical equations is linear radical system. For example, if I have x plus 2y under the second root is equal to 4 x minus y under the third root is equal to 3. This is the first equation. This is the second equation. With this bracket, we bring them together as a system. And the whole idea here is to transform these radical equations to linear equations. From here, in the first equation, I raise everything to the power 2 because of the degree of the radical. And from here, what I get is this 2 and this radical sign cancelling out each other. It becomes x plus 2y is equal to 16. First equation. For the second equation, I raise everything to the power 3. And this becomes this and this cancelling out one another. It just becomes x minus y is equal to 27. Second equation. And I hope you know how to solve the system and the solution of which I give in the homework. Second example, 2 times x minus y plus 3 under the second root is equal to minus 1. This is the first equation. The second equation is 1/2 of x plus 2y plus 1 under the fourth root is equal to 2. This is the second equation. And together this forms a system of linear radical equations. In order to solve this, of course, first we transform both equation 1 and equation 2 into linear equation. To do that, first I remove its radical sign by raising both sides of equality by the power 2. This cancelling out one another. This becomes 2 times x minus y plus 3 is equal to minus 1 times minus 1 is plus 1. Actually, this is the first equation. The second equation, I raise everything to the power of 4. Now this 4 and this 4, they cancelling out one another. 1/2 times x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 2 to the power of 4 is 16. This is equation number 2. What we have done practically, we have transformed this system of radical equations to a system of linear equations. In order to solve the system of linear equations, of course, we need some further simplification by 2 times y by multiplying 2 by x minus 2y plus 3 is equal to plus 1. And furthermore, from here, 2x minus 2y is equal to, taking 3 to the other side, is equal to minus 3 plus 1 minus 2. This is the first equation. The second equation, multiplying 1/2 with x, 1/2 x, 1/2 with 2y becomes y, and plus 1 is equal to 16. From here, 1/2 x plus y is equal to, if I take 1 to the other side, becomes minus 16 minus 1 is 15. This is the second equation, and this is nothing but a system of linear equation, the solution of which I give as homework. Okay. The third type of radical equations is quadratic radical equation, such as x squared minus 2x plus 2 under the second root is equal to 3. In order to solve this, of course, we raise everything to the power 2. From here, 2 and 2 are cancelling out. What remains is x squared minus 2x plus 2 is equal to 9. Now, write this in the general form. X squared minus 2x plus 2. I take 9 to the other side, becomes minus, is equal to 0. Now from here, x squared minus 2x minus 7 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation, the solution of which I give as homework. Second example, x squared, 2x squared plus 3x minus 1 under the second root is equal to x. Now, in order to solve this quadratic radical equation, I raise everything to the power 2. This 2 and this 2 cancelling out each other. From here, I have 2x squared plus 3x minus 1 is equal to x squared is x squared. In order to transform this quadratic equation into general form, I take x squared to the other side, 2x squared plus 3x minus 1. This x squared to the other side is minus x squared is equal to 0. The 2x squared minus x squared is x squared plus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Is a quadratic equation, the solution of which I give homework.